Hello, welcome to your class. Welcome again to your language class. Today is Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020. So that's means that today is the day number 6 of this month of October. Yesterday we were talking about verbs, how verbs are divided. You know that they are divided into regular and irregular verbs. So today we're going to continue learning things about verbs. If I have the verb give, this one is one verb, right? If I have the verb give, that means that this one is in the present, right? And gave is in the past. This one is in the past, and this one is in the present tense. So, here we have an example of irregular verb because the written way or the spelling way of the verb changed. Today I'm going to give you a present. If I say today I'm going to give you a present, it's something that is going to happen in the present now. If I said last week I gave my friend a present, that means that is something that already happened in the past. What you're going to do today is that in your notebooks, please copy this chart about the verb to be. Copy this chart about the verb to be, past, present, and future. So today we're going to learn about the helping verbs. All those ones that I have here are called helping verbs. Why? Because they provide sense to the main verb. In this case, or to the subject. Here we have I was in the past. I was doing my homework. I am doing my homework in the present now. I will do my homework. In the future is something that haven't happened. And here you have the correct form of the verb to be. Copy this in your notebook. Okay, you're going to copy all this in your notebook. After that, after you finish with this part, you're going to copy one worksheet that I have here for you. Here I have one worksheet. You're going to copy this worksheet in your notebook as well. And you're going to copy everything, every sentence, but not the drawings, just the sentences. You're going to use is, or are, according to what the rule says. Remember that here we have the rules, so you're going to copy. And you're going to complete where is, where is am, or where is are. You're going to complete it according to each one of them. I am hungry, right? He is, or she is. So, copy and complete it. After that, I'm going to give you one example of exercise team A and one example of exercise team B. Your homework is that you're going to complete page 92 and exercise remember A, page 93. That's your homework. So I'm going to explain you first in page 92 of your book, what you're going to do. The instruction says, helping verbs. A helping verb is the main verb that shows an action. So a helping verb and an action verb together are called verb phrase. Verb phrase. So the helping verb here is the word is. And the verb, the action verb is feeding. So we get a verb phrase. So you're going to separate the subject in the predicate. The subject and the predicate, remember that the subject is what we are about, who we are talking in the sentence. And the predicate is the complement. So the subject is we is the subject, have visit is the complement. All this is the complement. So that's the predicate. So you separate with a line. Here we have a line. After that, you're going to underline twice the verb phrase. Have visited. Have visited. This one is our verb phrase. Why? Because have is the helping verb and visit is the verb, the action verb in the past. Then in exercise 10B, what you're going to do is that you're going to underline the correct form of the verb. The instruction says, use this helping verb with singular subject. Am, is, was, has with singular. Use these helping verbs with plural subject. Are, were, have. The helping verb had works with both singular and plural. So, my teacher is in singular because it's just one teacher. My teacher teaching us about interesting animals at the Wellington Zoo. So you're going to use is or are. Is, of course, because it's just one person. So it is in singular. You're going to underline twice the correct form of the verb to be. Well, that was everything for today's language class. Don't forget that this is your homework. I already explained what you have to do. And see you until next time in class. It was a pleasure for me to be here with you. Keep safe at home. Blessings from the Lord. And see you until next time.